guys, welcome back for another video. I am IAmAdriaRenee, and today we're going to be cooking using HelloFresh. There are 3 meals in this box. We're going to be doing the Cajun style blackened tilapia today. Each label on the package corresponds to the color that's on the bottom of these recipe cards. I'll have the recipe typed out in the description box also. These boxes come with an ice pack in them that has the protein underneath it to keep that even more cold. So yeah, this is going to be more of an ASMR video, so if you're interested in watching me cook, keep on watching.
Single clove of garlic. Oh, Christina, not what she do.
Okay, so while I'm plating this up, I just want to let you guys know that it's really important to read through the entire recipe before you start. If you noticed, I had to put water in the black bean pepper mixture, and had I not read prior, I wouldn't have known that, and Lord only knows what would have happened. I mean, it would have been fine, but it's important to read through it because you might have to add some water to your recipe, and if it was like a dire situation, you burn something up. So we don't want that. But nonetheless, we're plating. We're trying to plate it just like it looks on the picture. And actually, this came out tasting so good. Like, HelloFresh did very good with their seasonings. At some points, I forgot to add salt and pepper because I don't much cook with salt and pepper. So, or cook with pepper but not salt. So I was forgetting sometimes. Also, you didn't see me cook this rice, but it did get cooked. I don't know what happened, but it got cooked. So nonetheless, we're just plating it. I'm sure you can hear the baby in the background. She was turned, but that's how she is. So yeah, this came out really good, really tasty, really flavorful. I killed it. I don't think I'd ate that day, so prior to doing this video. So yeah, killed it with a little sauce. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Also, like I mentioned earlier in this video, check the description box. There's links to $90 off your first box. There's links to free boxes. So just check them out and tell me what you think, if you like HelloFresh or not. But yeah, I think this was definitely a slam dunk. I've had many more boxes since this.